Hi, my name is Amal and I'm currently the Head of Assurance at NPL, which is the National Physical Laboratory. Today, to celebrate INWED 23, I'm going to talk about my career that got me here as a manufacturing engineer. My passion for how things work, especially planes and sports teams, have led me to want to work in the field of manufacturing within engineering. I've done a long career, which started within Procter & Gamble, and safety has always been number one in every role I've done, to ensure that everyone went home the same way they came in. So starting from my first role as a process engineer that you can see me up there, this has meant doing tasks, anything to do from touring, gas monitors, high vis and safety shoes, risk assessments, having safety locks, and this one I've actually had for over 20 years, redesigning machinery or changing the programming, using a fake finger to check the catch points in the machinery, wearing white trousers, or giving ongoing feedback or setting up or ensuring training's done. All of it to keep everyone safe. Engineering is such a wonderful broad field that you too can find your passion for. Thank you.